Edday nĩatigĩte mafans ake makenete mũno na nĩarakorirwo akĩingĩra nenda-inĩ ciake cia ũkinyanĩria na gũkorwo introduce for the very first time a very special person to her, mũndũ mafans ake matarĩ makĩona. Na Edday shared this kũgerera nenda ciake cia ũkinyanĩria, na mbere ĩyo nĩarakoretwo aingĩra o nenda-inĩ ciake cia ũkinyanĩria na gũkorwo agĩshare video na mbica ciake on a date, kũndũ aronekana as though she is out on a date, akenete mũno with a big smile on her face, akionekana she is happy, she is doing well. Na mafans maraikiuga nĩmakena mũno kuona Edday getting back to her life, akenete mũno, akionekana she is doing well, she is happy, full of life, full of laughter, na akonekana she is even outside on a date. Na magakiuga nĩmakena kuona Edday being happy, enjoying life, and also moving on with her life. And also the song that she had playing in the background was Grateful by Rita Ora. Edday agikiuga she is grateful, na araikorwo agĩshare mbica ici na video ĩno of her out on a date, na nĩaragĩcokire gũkorwo akĩrekereria mbica ĩngĩ, mbica ĩno mena this lady here, ũrĩa mafans ake maragĩtigirwo makĩkũĩra atĩ this could be Edday's mom. Mafans magĩkiuga it's the first time Edday has shared such a photo with this woman here, na magakiuga ũkĩrora mbica ici they seem to look alike, hena a similarity between Edday and this lady here, and also ũguo mahĩmbanĩirie, and more so the smiles on their faces. Mafans conclude atĩ this could be none other than Edday's mom, na magĩkena mũno nĩ gũkorwo atĩ Edday nĩakorwo akĩmonia for the first time this lady here, ũrĩa mafans ake marakiuga it can be none other than Edday's mom, na magakiuga angĩkorwo nĩ mami wa Edday they are happy to finally see her, to finally meet her. Na magakiuga Edday now is taking the right path, spending time with her mom and surrounding herself with people who are special to her. Na magakiuga nĩathiĩ na mbere o ũguo akinyĩre o hau akinyĩire, and she should focus on herself more. Na ndũgakĩriganĩrwo gũ-subscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.